If you're about to buy an AirTag, don't. Apple's AirTag is about to get a huge upgrade with its first new model in years. Here's what to expect and when it's coming. Before I break down the newest rumors, if you want to keep up to date with everything Apple, maybe hit that subscribe button. The first AirTag was released on April 30th, 2021, nearly 4 years ago at this point, without any changes in the hardware. Fortunately, a version 2 is set to imminently launch. Depending on your uses, this could be a great upgrade, or maybe even a chance to get the original AirTag at a steep discount. It's not like AirTag has remained stagnant for all of these years. Apple has added new features to them. And I believe early 2024, Apple increased the number of supported devices to 32 from 16. I'm still getting close to pushing that number, by the way. Sound off in the comments on how many items you're tracking in the Find My app. Do you think 32 is enough? iOS 17 also allowed users to share AirTags. Like if you and your partner share each other's car keys. That way you can find your partner's and they can find yours for you. Or maybe you stuck an AirTag on your Apple TV remote like we did. Now everyone in the fam can find it. Even more recently, in iOS 18.2, Apple allowed users to create temporary share links to the location of their devices to share with others. This is especially useful for travel if you lose something or leave it behind. You can share that link with your Airbnb host, a restaurant host, or even one of the many partner airlines that Apple is working with. That way they can find where your item is and, of course, get it back to you. There was a lot more in that iOS 18.2 update as well. If you want to learn more about that and all of the new features, check out the video that I've linked somewhere around here. Okay, enough background. What about AirTag 2? First and foremost, they're keeping the same design. While people have speculated Apple may offer additional form factors like a wallet card or something, no concrete rumors support this. I'm expecting AirTag 2 to look almost identical to this original model. One likely change will make it harder to remove the speaker. There are some who have figured out how to disable the speaker on an AirTag so they could hide them and use them for stalking. This is obviously very illegal, and it sounds like Apple is doing its part by making it harder for the speaker to be removed to help prevent this. I'd also surmise that this speaker will be louder as well. The current speakers aren't very loud, and they will definitely be needed for this next feature, improved range. Again, these are all just rumors, but they're from proven sources who have been very right in the past. They say the range could be up to 3 times larger than it is now. Based on the current precision finding features functionality, working at up to 30 meters or 98 feet, this could bring the UWB range up to 295 feet away under those perfect conditions. This would be enabled by an upgraded ultra-wideband chip, bringing it in line with Apple's other recent devices. Of course, a new chip can also increase battery life as well. The last major upgrade is support for Vision Pro. I find this really interesting, and the rumor is admittedly vague. What could this be? Could you find items in 3D space with like a hovering arrow above what you lost? Or could it allow the AirTag to be used as some sort of like motion controller with 3D tracking in 3D space? As an Apple Vision Pro fan, I'm excited for what this really could mean. So, when will the updated AirTag be released? Rumors of the new model started back in 2022 from famed analyst Ming-Chi Kuo, saying that they were popular enough that Apple had started work on a second-gen model. Kuo reiterated these rumors in 2024, saying production was starting by the end of that year. Gurman then doubled down on that, saying while Apple wasn't in a rush, it was targeting a May 2025 release. That puts us within 3 months or so of the updated model releasing. I'm willing to bet that we're going to see some steep discounts on existing models as we get closer to that. If you aren't interested in longer range, better battery life, and louder speakers, maybe it's a good time to pick some of these up when the price is right. We've been keeping track of all of these deals on our price guide, so watch out for those when there is a solid sale. I put a link for that in the description. So what do you think? Are you going to pick up some discounted AirTags, or are you waiting for the AirTag 2? Let me know down below in the comments. Be sure you're subscribed, and I'll see you in the next video.